Hi guys, today I had made a project which is literally showing me unsure. Okay, now we want to check the future of Scrap 4.0. You may asking, why is there purple here? Then what is this update? Well, it's like the Scratch 25, I think. I don't know. Okay, never mind. First, you have to go to here, then the scratch meter it, then get house, then you'll be entering a new website, the future of scratch. Yeah, unplayed. Okay, unstoppable project. You may asking, how do you say this is? Nah, man. Yeah, scratch card is telling. No, 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 no. No. Okay, now this is a new thing. We are going inside of the project, which I don't really. Ooh. Okay, now here we got our code, which is literally different. I literally don't understand what are these. My blocks. Never mind. Okay, the sound is literally the same. Wait, do we have new sounds? No, the same as the what is. They scared me. Now it's just a cloud bag. Literally, I costumes. Oh, I don't literally have. Okay, here's a assessed market which I literally don't want to go somewhere like the Griff told that you have to go to this method, which I literally don't want to. Bundles. What is this? Oh, what is this? No man, I don't want this to be mine. Customs. I literally don't want this. Okay, what why is there many wow food trends? A very odd than a I don't know how it loaded for me because it was loading for you. Oh wait, it's no Naruto, but it says Shino Baby Jelly. I don't know who is that. I never seen Naruto. Is Naruto 7? Only Naruto is there. Okay, now here, let's go to our cloud backpack. I don't know because auto, auto. I don't know what is showing that. Yes, our wait. It comes with all the code. So cool! The future of scratches. So cool. It's. I didn't discover. Someone discovered after me. That is just so smart mind. Okay, now let's go here and run our project. Oh, oh, this scratch cat is really disturbing my stream. Don't discover or delete you. No, 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 no. falling down. Baby Shinobi. Debug tool, what is that? Monitor? Nah, I don't want to go to that. Terminal, I don't want to go to that. Okay, next. We didn't test it out. This. Wait, what do you mean? Literally just came here. Oh, my Shinobi character is gone. I think it'll not come. Later it will come. Okay, let's test out the interesting extensions, which I literally don't have no idea about these. First, we are going to test Yay Hub. Okay, I'm asking. Oh, the oldest version of ChatGPT. You can't literally ask. You cannot literally ask it to custom. I don't want this customs. Gandhi G camera. I don't want that. Yeah, I have. Which I literally don't want it. This is where I have. I literally forgot. Install. Okay, let's see what it. Okay, I don't know why it's so. Okay, I already have some questions here. Okay. I already just passed. Oh, the ganja idiot. Let's do it. I still don't know. Okay, now we don't have yeah, we don't have any this board. Which I literally am not allowed to do. Okay, let's do layer. No, no, layer. I don't want your name to be replaced. Yes. Yes. No, just keep that name. Okay, I don't know how does the background shop. No man, I don't want that. Okay. Literally just gone to the event, it's literally showing me this. Okay, it literally does nothing. Yeah, this also. Does. Player. Nah, that's not. Does nothing. That's all. Okay, I literally don't know what I'm just going to. Nah, this not this one. It's a video about this. But, what? Okay, literally, there's a game about this. Okay, let's take this game. Oh, everybody's joining. No, this what is this? Oh, not. It literally shows the loading screen and scratch. It doesn't run. Powered by Gandhi IDE. Why literally has to one Shark Studio. That is name and why is it Rock Studio? Oh, literally this. Oh yeah, literally this. Okay. So that's nothing. Okay. Let's not show me the elect. Literally does not give me anything. Okay, I'll do it. The next part video, let's see. Bye bye.